In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on your Coursera certificates. Whether you've recently changed your name or noticed an error, it's important to ensure that the name on your certificates is accurate, as they represent your achievements. Let's walk through the steps to update your name, ensuring everything appears just as you want it across all your future certificates. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Coursera homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button at the top right of the page. Click it and enter your login credentials, your email and password, to access your Coursera account. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a small icon that looks like a profile picture. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll be able to manage your account details and, importantly, edit your profile information, including your name. When you're in the Settings page, focus on searching for an option labeled Name or Profile Information. These sections allow you to view and edit the personal information that Coursera uses, including the name that will appear on your certificates. Click the Edit button next to your first and last name fields. This will enable you to make changes to your details. It's crucial to note that Coursera certificates will display the exact name you input here. With that in mind, carefully enter your correct first and last name just as you'd like them to appear, paying special attention to ensure that both spelling and capitalization are accurate. Since certificates are official documents, any errors might require contacting their support to rectify later. After you've entered your updated name, you need to save these changes to ensure they take effect. Look for a Save or Update Profile button and click this to submit your corrections. Once you've completed this, you're all set. New certificates that you earn will reflect this updated name accurately. If you've already earned certificates with a previous or incorrect name, there's no need to worry. You can contact Coursera support to request a name correction for existing certificates. You'll need to provide some information to assist them with your requests, such as the course name, the incorrect name on the certificate, your correct name, and any proof of identity if they ask for it. And that's it! By following these steps, you can ensure your Coursera certificates proudly display your correct name, reflecting your hard-earned accomplishments accurately. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your learning journey on Coursera.